Okay, now Chelsea 3, Aston Villa 0. We get our bungelistic personality here with me, Oga Kesta, making come talk about how you see Chelsea performance for today game. And with this kind of performance where Chelsea they perform like this back to back, everybody knows that Chelsea they are among the teams where we're going to look out for the Premier League. When we like say they're going to contend to win the league this season. Oga Kesta, now how you see this game where Chelsea play today?
First of all, I greet my country people, So the game,
Mm.
the game tough. I don't go feel like. And the scores not really give the actual story of the game. But all the say, thank God say Chelsea win. And Lukaku score 2 goals. Now, what matter to me be that.
All right, no be lie because normally as Cristiano Ronaldo scored 2 goals today, some people talk say Lukaku score for in debut too, and I be like say normally Lukaku normal he know say Ronaldo scored two as he enter two he reply he own two because we know say the battle go there between Lukaku and Ronaldo for that golden boot this season. We know say strikers them Hurricane them still there. You understand? But how you see this competition waiting for the Premier League now? We see what Cristiano Ronaldo do earlier before Chelsea come play their game. That one tell us say Manchester United no come play too this season. How you see the competition waiting for the league?
These are the first time, when they get like players if they are capable of scoring over 20 goals for many teams. Even Crystal Palace get player they scored past 20 last season. When he even scored 2 goals today. Lukaku scored
Edward.
past 20. Ronaldo
Mm.
scored past 20 last season. Even forget the fact that Aubameyang they behind. We all also Aubameyang too. A season over 20 goals
Yes,
is guaranteed.
20 goal
So
striker.
yeah, these are the first time when they get a lot of people that have been they score go well. That go make me believe that this season goals go plenty well for this season. That one are for sure. Uh-huh. But once again, I'm busy Chelsea win the game because the game at the time, Chelsea keeper put Chelsea for the game. If to say they score that goal when they score, Chelsea
Mm.
panic. Now what I said that.
Okay. So, but I want to talk about one player. I want to talk about Kovacic performance today. Normally, him deliver the assist for Lukaku first goal, and himself still get his own goal. All round performance for me. But like I say, the statistic, be like say na Kovacic na be the Chelsea player we touch the ball pass for inside the pitch today. What do you see from this performance wey Kovacic deliver?
I go rate Kovacic like 9/10.
Now be say from that one, from that your rating, and you never rate the rest players. So now Kovacic be your man of the match today.
That be my man of the match. I'll rate at 9/10. He play ball well. As a ball control, to the loose ball. Maybe in a few times now he lose ball today, but all round play today. Defensive play, midfield, the top half of the field, everywhere in there, everywhere. I think say this week, Seth, now be man of the week for Premiership this season. Of
All
this
round.
week, yes, I think say of
Mm,
this weekend, yes. So far, Kovacic is now the best player.
okay. All right now, no be lie. I guess now we just go the player rating. You understand? Make we do am 20. Oh yeah, now make we start with because you talked something about the save when Eduardo Mendy save. So make we start with Mendy first. Now, what do you go rate Mendy?
Our red man is 7.5
Okay.
because he pushes it for the game. He reads corner maybe a few times. He miss ball, if ball they come from corner kick, but at the end of the day, he control he half very well.
Mm, yes.
He shot instruction. So with the same every time, give us 7.5.
Okay. What about Trevor Shaloba?
I'll give Trevor Shalova 6.5.
Thiago Silva, uncle.
I'll give her 6.
Rudiger.
I'll give Rudiger 7.
Because Rudiger, to me, I believe say for a large part of last season, Rudiger na one of the Chelsea defender wey dey consistent for im performance.
I go
Even
give
this season itself, we still carry enter this season.
7.5. Give Rudiger 7.5.
No be lie. No, I agree with this your rating for Rudiger 100%. What about Odison Odoi?
Osnodor, I'll give her 6. 6 flat.
You give am 6. Okay. You don't already rate Kovacic. So yeah, make we go Saul Niguez wey make a debut. After you rate am, Oga Kesta, tell me about what you see from Saul Niguez today, the player, and what you think say moving forward, he will bring on this Chelsea team.
So I will not get the rating.
Why you not give her anyone?
I not give her rating because for the whole game when he played today, for the whole minute, first, he lose ball 3 times. For Chelsea half, now for lose the ball 3 times. If he pass normal basic passes, he only throw one long pass. That long pass still not connect. You don't understand? He almost cost Chelsea the game for first half. Twice. Saul is a good player, fantastic player. The Premiership too fast. Premiership too fast for I don't believe. See that maker. You just have to say that debut and this is what it is. You know understand?
Not be lie.
Saul is a very good player.
Okay. Oh yeah, now make we go Alonso. What do you go rate Alonso?
Ooh, Alonso played more today now. The only player I play pass Alonso for that feat today. Nah, Kovacic.
And he's supposed to even score. So if you get one chance when that chance they close.
I'll give Alonso 8. Kovacic 8.5.
Okay. What about Hakim Ziyech and Kai Havertz?
No, it's me. Hakim Ziyech. I'll give Hakim Ziyech 7.5. 7.5. No, no, stop, I beg. 7.5. Then Ziyech. I'll give Ziyech 5.
Okay. So Kai Havertz, now you give 7.5. Ziyech 5.
Yes. No. Ziyech 7.5.
Kai Havertz 5. Okay. What about Romelu Lukaku? 2 goals for this game.
Romelu. Our boy. I'll give my boy 8.
Okay. Then make we go the substitute now. Make we start with the register. Jorginho. What do you go give Jorginho?
Jorginho can't change everything now. I'll give Jorginho 8.
Okay. Because me, I expect say Jorginho rating go high
8.
From you understand based on what you talk about Saul Niguez's performance and when Jorginho enter, we know say things change for the match. Then what about Aspilicueta and Timo Werner? What you go give them?
Aspilicueta come the game, they make 1 assist. I'll give Aspilicueta 6.
Okay. 6. What about Timo Werner? We know say he not too play say.
No, I don't like that. You know, I don't give anything. I like Timo.
All right. Yes.
I don't give anything.
No, I want to ask you one question about Timo Werner now, Oga Kesta. We know say this season with Lukaku coming in, we don't see Timo Werner not to play. You know, he never to play this season. But we know say Chelsea did many competitions. In time will come, definitely. You understand? But to get some transfer Tori, we don't come out for Tori when be like say they talk about Timo Werner going to Bayern Munich and then Leroy Sané coming to Chelsea. How you see this matter as a Chelsea fan?
As a Chelsea fan, both players good. You know, understand?
Yes.
But at the end of the day, I think I still prefer Timo Werner. Because we great players so they can replicate Leroy Sané form for Chelsea. Yes, we get players who can do that kind of thing when Leroy Sané they do.
When they do.
But we not get that kind of player who can do it.
Timo Werner they do.
I want to see Timo Werner Lukaku start game. You know that I won't see.
Now you go fit talk more concerning the matter. All right, now no be like Oga Kesta. Currently now, Chelsea and Man U now they top of the table. But no say the league just the start, and they tied for the same point, 10 points, and the goal difference sef, the two club get 8-8 for goal difference. So going into the league now, we know say now the league don't dey tire apart the goals so as they go. We see how Man U game be, even though say Man U normally they beat Newcastle well, but we see season Newcastle see come out. We see what happened to Tottenham for the early kickoff. We be like say normally Crystal Palace they just change out for Tottenham, beat them 3-0. We know how the league they go. Now, which two teams now you know say from the way they go now, you believe say those two teams now we go to look out for saying that them two go battle for the league.
And a 3 teams I get, I don't get 2 teams.
Okay.
The 3 teams now, Man City go still win the league. The Chelsea and Man U they get 5-5.
Yes.
And those 3 teams. But at the end of the day, now 4 teams. 4 of them now qualify. Chelsea, Man U, Liverpool.
And Liverpool.
Yes, now. Chelsea,
all right, man.
Liverpool, City, 4 of them qualify.
Okay, now not be loud, Oga Kesta. Thank you for your time. Normally, when you come, you understand. Content talk about how you see how man. We know say normally you get game today. We wish you all the best for your game today, and make we the hope so now go deliver 3 points. Normally, the way Chelsea they deliver 3 points.
For this our age grade, that will be the best team for the state. So that not be fair.
No be lie. No wahala, Oga Kesta. I beg use these 3 points where Chelsea deliver today and the 3 goals. Join the 3 points where I go deliver today to your side for the weekend. You too much. You too much, Rafa.
Okay,
all right.